everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the JBL earbuds volume too low, boost sound, output and audio setting. The fix one, increase volume on both the earbud and your device. So connect your JBL earbuds to your phone, tablet or computer. Then increase the volume on your device to at least 80 to 100%. Now use the volume up touch control on the earbuds if your models support them and play music or a video and check whether the sound level increase. Fix 2. Disable volume limit. So open your device sound setting. Now look for volume limit, media volume limit, headphone safety or reduce loud sound. Now turn off any active volume restriction and test the earbud again to see if the volume is improved. Fix 3. Clean the earbud speaker mesh. Remove the ear tip from the both earbud. Inspect the speaker mesh for earwax, dust or drift and clean the mesh gently using a soft brush or dry cotton swab. Then reattach the ear tip and test the sound quality. Fix 4. Adjust EQ settings in the JBL headphone app. Open the JBL headphone app, connect your earbuds to the app, navigate to the equalizer section and select a preset or create a custom EQ profile or louder audio. The fix 5. Turn off ambient aware and talk through. So open the JBL headphone app, locate ambient aware or talk through setting. Now disable this feature and play audio again and check for improved volume. The fix 6. Check audio balance setting. So open accessibility or audio settings on your device. Then find the left right audio balance control. Then ensure the balance slider is centered and test both earbuds to confirm equal sound output. Fix 7. Update JBL earbud firmware. So open the JBL headphone app and check for available firmware update. Then install any update that are available and restart the earbuds after the update complete. The fix 8. Reset and repair the earbud. So place the earbud in the charging case. Perform a factory reset according to your JBL model. Now remove the earbuds from your Bluetooth device list and pair the earbud again and test the volume. Fix 9. Test with another device. So connect the earbuds to a different phone, tablet or computer and play music or a video. Then compare the volume level with your original device and check whether the issue is device specific. The fix 10. Contact JBL support. So note your JBL earbud model number, then gather your proof of purchase if available, then contact JBL customer support for further assistance and ask about repair, warranty or replacement option if needed. Goodbye and thanks for watching.